Perhaps we need to take this under the microscope. So let's hit it. Everything looks good to me on that side. Let's check the other side. Still good there. Oh, I see it. Now my camera's a little bit out of focus. Do apologize about that, but I see one of the pins is kind of bent all the way back in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to pull that out. So let's put some flux on there. And we get our low melt solder, and after our low melt, we'll take that puppy right off. Alright. Let's do it to it. Let's get those T1000 juices all ready to go. Let's get the other side. We don't want to neglect the other side. And I always sometimes forget flux. Oh, it's still kind of melted there. That's okay. As it's low melt solder, it takes a while to get hard. That's what she said, huh? Hope not. Not with us, because we like to fix things, make sure that things are fixed, things are working, rocking and rolling. Alright. Let's get a little bit of hot air on there. When I mean a little bit, I mean a lot. But you know what I mean.